What's up, guys? The name's Lucas. This is my first video. I had a previous channel before. I tried gaming. I'm terrible at doing it for other people to watch, but I still enjoy it. But cooking, of course, is a even bigger passion for me. I've been cooking since I was little, so I just wanted to get this channel together and show people that don't know how to cook how easy it is to actually do it. So just follow me on this journey. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna try to make some chicken marsala. First thing you need is flour. You need salt, black pepper, dried oregano, 4 skinless, boneless chicken breasts, butter, and it calls for olive oil, but I don't currently have olive oil in the house right now, so I'm going to use some canola oil. Some mushrooms, some Marsala cooking wine. You can get this at the grocery store. Cooking sherry. And of course you need measuring cups and measuring spoons, along with some mixing bowls and skillets as well. Alright, first things first, you want to wash your hands. It's always a good idea to have clean hands when you're cooking food. So of course, grab some soap, scrub real good. Don't have the scalding hot water like I do, just warm enough. Next thing you do is you grab a cutting board and put your pieces of chicken on it. Grab a bowl, you grab the flour, you get a 1/4 cup of the flour, which is, I have a half cup right here, so it's about half of that. You get a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. There's the 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Here's a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, about a 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. Stir this up real good, and this will be the coating for our chicken. You coat it like that, and do the same on that side. Until all the coating is gone. And it says that we need 4 tablespoons, which is a 1/2 stick of butter. We put that in there. Put it on about 3.5 so that it doesn't burn and that melts slowly. You'll also put in 4 tablespoons of oil. 2, 3, 4, and let that heat up. Also, while you're letting that heat up, you can grab the things that you already used, such as the black pepper and the salt and spices, and put them away while it's heating up so that you don't have less to clean up at the end. The butter and oil is about melted. You take each chicken breast and stick them in the mixture. And we are going to cook these until each side is golden brown. At this point, want to turn it up maybe to 4.5, 5. Since we turned it up, you may want to keep a closer eye on the chicken so that it doesn't get burnt. You see the chicken is golden brown, so we flip it to the other side so that it can cook on that side. We may want to make some cuts on both sides so as it cooks easier and gets rid of all the pink in the chicken. If you're confident that all the pink is gone in the chicken, you add the mushrooms that you sliced up. That is 1 cup of mushrooms. You take a 1/2 cup of Marsala wine, and put it in there. Get a fourth a cup of sherry cooking wine. Dump it in there. We'll cover and let simmer for 10 minutes. You may want to turn it down just a bit, maybe on 3.5. The 5-minute point, you may want to turn this stuff so that it doesn't get burnt in the skillet. Now that the 10 minutes are up, you want to turn the burner off and get a thing to sit it on so that it won't burn anything, and uncover it. Now you've made chicken marsala. Congratulations. Also, if you want to make a side with it, you can make some rice or some vegetables. This is just a main dish, and I didn't have time to put together anything else. So go with any idea you have from a side dish. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it was thorough enough in teaching you how to make chicken marsala. This was my first video, and if I get a good reception, I'll continue dropping videos and showing how to make different things. And if you enjoyed this, I ask that you just like and subscribe. And if there's anything I can do better with this, just drop it in the comments below, and I'll take it into consideration. Thanks. This is Lucas out. Bye.